In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create passport photos using LibreOffice Writer. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily prepare your photos at home. Firstly, let's get started by opening LibreOffice Writer on your computer. If you already have the LibreOffice icon on your desktop, go ahead and double-click it. This action will bring up the LibreOffice Start Center, from where you can select the type of document you'd like to create. For our purpose, click on Writer Document. This will open a new document where you can work on your passport photos. With the document open, the next step is to insert your photo. Look at the top menu bar and click on Insert, then Image. This will prompt a file browser to open, allowing you to navigate through your computer to find the photo you want to use. Once you've located it, select the photo and click Open. Your photo will now appear in the document, ready for some adjustment. Now, it's crucial to resize the photo to the standard passport size, which is 2 inches by 2 inches, or 51 by 51 millimeters. To resize, click on the photo to select it. Afterward, right-click on the image and then choose Properties. Alternatively, you can navigate from the top menu through Format, then Image. In the dialog that appears, head over to the Type tab. Here, under Size, adjust the dimensions by setting the width and height to 2 inches or 51 millimeters, depending on your preference. With your photo resized, you might want to have a few more copies for various uses. To duplicate the photo, select the resized image, then simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it, and Ctrl+V to paste. You can repeat this as many times as needed to create the desired number of copies. Arrange these copies neatly into rows and columns within the document to have them all fit nicely. Before we move on to printing, let's touch on page setup, which can be particularly beneficial for a well-organized layout on an A4 paper. Go to the Format menu and select Page Style. Make sure that your page is set to A4, which is the standard size for most printers. Arrange your photos, ensuring they fit neatly on this page size. Finally, it's time to print your passport photos. Go to File, then Print. Here, make sure you adjust your printer settings and check that scaling is set to actual size. This ensures your photos maintain the correct dimensions. Once everything looks good, go ahead and print your sheet. After printing, carefully cut out the photos with scissors or a cutter. And there you have it. You've now successfully created your passport photos using LibreOffice Writer.